Okay, if your back's been hurting a little bit, here are a few awesome exercises to get you out of trouble. A lot of times our pelvis gets tilted a little bit forward, and then we can even get a little bit of a torsion in our pelvic girdle, and this can cause some excruciating pain in our back. Here are a few exercises to try to get that pelvis back in alignment and stretch out the muscles to avoid it from staying there. So first thing we can do, we're going to sit on our back, feet are on the ground, arms are teed out, feet together. Rotate side to side. And then we want to go into a single leg reverse crunch. So knees are bent still, here and out, here and out, here and out. While you're doing that exercise, you want to make sure that you're pressing your back into the floor. Then shift your body into a tabletop position. Your hands are underneath your shoulders, knees are underneath your hips, okay? Keep your foot flexed and push straight back. Straight back. Do 10, and after that last one, you want to hold, let the foot come across the opposite foot and look over your shoulder. You'll feel a stretch in the side body across the hip. And then of course you do the other side, keeping the foot flexed, keep the hip square to the ground, kicking straight out 10 times, and then on that last one, bring it across your body, looking over your shoulder. Feeling that stretch. Okay, another great exercise to do is a cat-cow. That's a yoga pose. You're gonna inhale, look up, let the belly go down to the ground, and then exhale and push up and arch your back. Inhale and exhale. Again, do about 10 of those, and exhale. Okay, the other thing we want to make sure we do is loosen up our hip flexors and our quadriceps to let the top of that pelvic girdle let loose. So in this one, you get in what I call a runner's stretch. 1 foot forward, knees back, okay, kind of side angles here. You want to lean forward, stretching the hip flexor on the opposite side. Try to keep your torso upright. Okay, you'd hold that for a good 10 to 20 seconds, and then you'd rock back, let the foot come up, lean over, stretching your hamstrings and a little bit of the low back. Hold that stretch. Again, lean forward, hip flexor, roll back. Do that about 5 times. The more you lean forward, torso's upright, the deeper stretch you get into the hip flexor there. Okay, and then you would do that again on the other side. Same thing, put that knee up, lean forward, hip flexor right here, torso's upright, and then roll back, foot is up, putting the head over the knee, try to extend that leg, stretching the hamstring. And then forward and back. Forward. Okay, now that you're on this side, the other great stretch to open up the hip is to bring your hands on the instep, allow the knee to open up and lower down towards the ground. You'll feel that stretch into your hip and possibly across that low back as well. Hold that. All of the positions you want to hold for a good 10 seconds. And then you can come out of it. Switch sides. Same thing. You're here from a front angle. We're rolling forward or rocking forward. Bring the hands on the instep. Open up the knee. The foot comes off the ground and come down opening up your hip. Okay, now I want you to go ahead and get yourself positioned back onto your butt. Okay, the other thing we're gonna do now is try to push the pelvis up in an effort to get it into a neutral alignment. So we're back on our back, feet are shoulder width apart, and we wanna bridge up and back down. Bridge up and back down. Bridge up and back down. Again, you would do that about 10 times. I hope this video helps you. Have a great day. Take care of your back.